Are you thinking about launching a course or selling a product, but you're holding off because you're just not sure if it'll sell? Want to know what your customers actually want to buy? Well, it's actually easier than you think. With an Ask Campaign sales funnel, you could easily collect people's recommendations on what they are looking for from you. Now, this Ask Campaign sales funnel is very different than those formal surveys or quizzes that people send out. This one is a lot more customizable and allows people to really explain what it is they are looking for. And what's beneficial about this specific sales funnel is that after they fill out this very simple form, you can then offer them maybe a freebie or a discount on that product or service you will build for them. Now watch this video to learn how to build this very simple sales funnel that will tell you exactly what to sell. Now, if you are looking for quality free sales funnels templates, click the link in my description to access my growing library of free sales funnels. Now, I built all of these myself and I am adding more. Now, earlier today, I actually just built this new funnel. It's the micro commitment product launch funnel. It's a 5-step funnel. And what's unique about this sales funnel is that it starts with a micro quiz to capture email addresses on the first page. Now, micro commitments are very important in encouraging people to fill out the form. And that is exactly what the first step does, because it asks people to select an option, then click on the call to action, and then fill out their first name and email to go to the next step if they want any type of freebie that you are offering. And then on the next step, you will show them various videos, video 1 through 4, which follows the perfect webinar script. And I've built every single page to allow you to add your video to share information and encourage people to purchase your product at the very end. So click the link in my description to grab all of these sales funnels. I will also give you free access to my brand new online reputation management software. Now, this software is great for local businesses and also coaches and consultants who want to share their positive testimonials on their own websites and sales funnels. Now, my software starts at $97 per month for the single plan, but you can grab this for free when you click the link in my description. Okay, now this Ask Campaign sales funnel is 2 steps. Okay, so the first step is the question page. So this is a page where you can ask a very simple question about whatever it is your customers are looking for. Now, you will frame this question with a simple letter that you add to this question page so people know exactly why you are asking. And when they fill out this form, they will get taken to the thank you page. Now, this thank you page is very powerful because this allows you to offer any type of freebie or maybe a discount on the offer that you will create for them. And you can mention that on the question page as well to encourage people to fill it out. Now, ClickFunnels has tons of Ask Campaign funnels. A lot of them are very old school. Like, for example, this one right here looks like an old website with a letter here. And they also have a call out for a freebie that they would get when they fill out this form. So an Ask Campaign is essentially a sales funnel with the goal of people filling out a simple form. But what's unique about this is the way that you angle it. So this one asks, what's your biggest question about potato guns? So first name, email, and then you respond here, and then they will get taken to the thank you page. Now, I really like this template. Now, let me preview that for you. This one is really good. Also, this one is really good as well. I like how there is kind of like this letter area here that allows you to kind of explain what it is you are looking for from them. So what you can do is add this to your ClickFunnels account. And so I added it right here. It is 2 steps. And now you can edit both of these pages. Now, it's very simple to edit. Just click and then change anything you want. So say, for example, I want to say, hey friend, and then you can add any text you want here. Headline, this is kind of like the subheadline, and this is the form. Now for me, I always like to not only ask for the person's email, but I also like to ask for their first name. So what I can do is scroll down to the form section and then click on input. And I'm going to move this at the very top right here, just above the email. Click on settings. And for the input type, I'm going to put first name, and I'm going to set it as required. So now we are asking for the person's first name, email, and their answer is right here. So as you could see, this is a lot more, I guess you could say it like a casual way to ask people's thoughts about whatever it is they are looking for. Now let me save this and let me show you the thank you page. And if you click here, we can access the thank you page where we can tell them what to do next, right? So we can say, what's next? And then you can mention anything you want, maybe offer them a freebie or offer them a special discount code that they can apply to the product that you are building out for them. Okay, so it's very easy. Now, once you complete this sales funnel, you can also set up a workflow. So whenever someone fills out the form, you will get an email with their answers. So to set up a workflow, I'm going to click on this icon right here, click on new workflow. I'm going to name it and then select the event type. For this one, I'm going to do an opt-in. So this workflow will trigger when a customer opts in from this page. Now click on create workflow. Okay, so the workflow trigger is this. So it's an opt-in event type for this specific sales funnel. This all looks good. And now all we need to do is add an action when this workflow starts. So I'm going to click on the notify under the internal action. Now this will notify me whenever a customer meets a set conditions or goals. So I'm going to select myself, and this is the message of the email that I will automatically receive. I can also add merge tags here, so the answer will be in the email. And for the notify type, I can select email, so I will get emailed whenever someone fills out that form. And we can enable this workflow. So whenever someone fills out that form in my Ask campaign, I will get an email with their responses. So this is how easy it is to create an Ask campaign sales funnel. Now, if you want other quality sales funnels templates, click the link in my description to grab all of these custom-made sales funnels templates that I built. Okay, now if you enjoyed this video, the only way to let me know is by hitting that like button and also subscribing to my channel. And if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you.